y'all, welcome back to Dom Budgets. Today I am doing my cash counting tips video, and in this video I'm just going to be counting my cash tips from this past week. Like I said in my previous videos, all of my cash tips are going to taxes, unfortunately. So yeah, we're just going to get right into it. And I actually worked like an extra day. I don't know why I took this out. I actually worked an extra day this week, so it's a few more extra dollars in there. All right, so we're just going to get started and to separate the bills. I hope everyone is having a beautiful day. All right. 20s, 20, 40, 60, 70, 5, 10, 15, 20, 25, 30, 35, 40, 45, 50, 55, 60, 65, 70. I'm gonna recount that to make sure. 5, 10, 15, 20, 25, 30, 35, 40, 45, 50, 55, 60, 65, 70. So plus 70. All these ones. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21. Plus 21. So that was a total of 161 for the week. And like I said, this is going to my taxes. I'll be so glad when I pay that off and I can use this money towards other debts. I like making the bills face the same way. Okay. And as y'all can see, I added 300, and that's from my 52-a-week challenge. I decided to just throw that money in here as well. So as soon as this is over, I will be adding that. We're starting the 52-week challenge back up and my $5,000 challenge as well. What's today? I believe it's the 27th. 827 plus 161. So that's 2518 plus 161, 2679. So yeah, I'm closer and closer to where I need to be. Okay, so my camera just cut off because I had too much storage on my phone, so I just quickly deleted some things off of there. I'm just going to separate these bills. If any of y'all work in like the service industry, whether it's restaurant, you do nails, beauty industry, and you get tips, let me know in the description below. I'm very interested. All right, I'm just going to put this, got these ones. Okay, so we are pretty much done with this video, y'all. All of this money got to go to taxes, y'all. But yeah, that is the end of this video. Don't forget to subscribe, like, and share. I really appreciate the support, y'all. And I will see you guys in my next video, which should be the bi-weekly cash stuffing and sinking funds video. Y'all have a good one. Bye.